guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Cervera, or you guys can call me Johnny. So today I wanted to do a skincare video with you guys because I've been wanting to do a skincare video for a while now, but I just haven't because I was like, oh, my skin doesn't look that great, and like things were just like not looking good. But it's still not looking that great. Like I have things going on over here, like, but I just thought, let me just do it because, you know, be as natural as possible. I did fill in my eyebrows like a little tiny bit because they were like really sparse, but it is looking pretty good. I don't want you guys to think that I have perfect skin because I don't. Like, nobody does. Like but yeah, I want to show you guys what I use every night before I go to bed. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so the first thing that I always do when I'm doing my skincare is I use a toner. I'm using the Thyers facial toner. I'm using the rose petal. It's because I bought the wrong one, but I do prefer the lavender one. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the toner on. And I usually, like at night, like I like to like go in circular motions. My skin does turn like red and stuff. And I'm like, oh my god, it's turning me red. This is like really hard to do, you guys. Like, do a skincare video. Because it's like something that we're all like vulnerable about. Like, you know? So I don't want you guys to be commenting and saying you're ugly, because that's not nice. Please be nice on my channel. And then it's clean. You always want to make sure you're cleaning your skin before you put anything on it. The next thing that I like to put on my skin is the Biossance Squalene Tea Tree Balancing Oil. So I like to squeeze this little thing here. And I'm looking down because my mirror's right in front of me. And then I just do like one drop, like a little bit on my forehead. I hope you guys can see it. And then I like, ooh, it's like, sometimes I have like things on my hands from the cotton round. So I circle it in on my forehead. You really don't need a lot of this. I just accidentally put a lot. But yeah, before I move on to the next parts, I make sure it's really in there. And this stuff is really good for me. Like, when I first got this stuff, I got it as a sample, like a small mini sample from Sephora. And I put it on like a pimple or acne, whatever you want to call it. Like, I put it on there, and the next morning when I woke up, it like shrunk down, and I was so happy. I was like, yes. So tea tree oil is really good, and squalene is really good for balancing your skin. And then I go like this, and then like this. I don't even know if I should be using this much, but this is what I normally do on my cheeks. Put it up in there, girl. You don't really want to put it in your, like, too close to your eyes. Then I massage my nose. This looks weird. I'm laughing because it's like really awkward for me to be doing my skincare on camera. But you guys get it. Then I go on my chin. And you want to bring it down your jaw. And I like to put it a little on my neck. because sometimes I get a little bit of acne. Well, I don't really anymore. I used to get like bumps under here. So don't neglect your neck. That's what they always say. Okay, next is a product that I always talk about. I mean, that I did talk to you guys about. It is the Caudalie Vinosource SOS Thirst Quenching. Put it on the back of my hand, squeeze, and then I rub it in, and then I circle it onto my forehead first. I don't know why. I always just circle it onto my forehead first. And this is gonna make you wake up looking very beautiful. Like this combination, super hydrated, not too oily. And then I do sometimes put it up here too. I don't know if we're supposed to, but I do. I think it's safe to put it like there because it is natural. I did squeeze too much. Look at me wasting product. I never do this. I never waste it. And if I do have too much, I'll put it down like on my chest, but I'm wearing like a shirt where I can't. And I'm not really going anywhere today. I'm just gonna stay in the house, walk around the house. So that's why I'm doing this. Next, I like to use the, well, I don't really do this step next, the Caudalie Vinosource Creme SOS Hydration Intense. This is a really thick lotion. I will next usually do my eye cream, and I've been using this for like, I want to say like 5 months. The Pharmacy Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. I thought it was going to smell like cherries. It does not smell like cherries. It doesn't smell like anything. It has no scent. And I just put it on. This gives you a nice glow. I'm always like, get it up in there, pat it in. And I like to put it a little bit on my brow bone too. So look at that glow. It's like a healthy glow. And then I will go in with the Caudalie Vinosource Creme SOS Hydration Intense. So this is so thick. Look how thick that is. It doesn't even move. I put it on my forehead, put it on my neck especially, and then I'm gonna blend it in. You see how thick it is? It's so thick that it's like white. I put too much on. Oh wait, I didn't do my forehead, you guys. I said I always start with my forehead, but with the cream I don't. It's like, I just don't. last step or first step is my Vaseline lip therapy. Sometimes my lips are so dry when I get out the shower that I put it on before, like the first step, or I'll wait till the end to put it on. And like I said, I always dip in with my pinky, so no one had to open a new one. And then rub it around. And that is it. That is my skincare routine. I hope you guys really liked watching this video. I hope that, I don't know, you learned something from it, or if you guys want to try to do your own skincare routine if you don't have one already. I know I have some friends that they don't like know what to use. I use these products, doesn't mean it's gonna work for you as well. Oh, I also wanted to mention to you guys that there is sometimes once in a while, this is not like an everyday thing, this is like randomly, I will use this Vital Hydra Solution mask by Dr. Jart. This is a sheet mask and I really like it. Like when I wake up and my skin is like dry, this is really good. You'll put this on and then leave it on overnight. Just take the paper off and then you rub in the stuff, and it's a really good mask, you guys. If you're looking for a good mask that's hydrating, use this one. I like it. I would recommend it. And yeah, I hope you guys really liked this video, and if you guys have any questions on the skincare products, let me know. I will try my best to put everything below in the description box. I will put some of the links because some of the products I got in a gift set that they came together, like the Caudalies, they came together, and I really love the brand. My skin looks so like hydrated right now. It looks really nice, and then you guys can just go to bed and your skin will look so good in the morning when you wake up. So if you guys try this skincare routine, or if you have any products that are your favorites, definitely comment them down below. I'd like to try them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! You guys, I'm really embarrassed because it's been taking me so long. I'm trying to record my skincare video, that's why I don't have any makeup on, and I'm like very self-conscious, like whatever. But I've been trying to hook these things up here in my tiny room. Put these hooks here so that I can hang a backdrop. This backdrop that I ordered on Amazon because I'm going for a specific look, but this one can't be in the middle, but I don't know if that's even safe because I saw a video of a backdrop falling on somebody. I don't want that to be me. So let me show you guys my backdrop. So this, oh, I can't get that. This is the beautiful backdrop that I ordered, but it's literally so thick and the curtain rod is so thin. Like, I thought this was gonna be easy. This is my curtain rod. And it extends and whatever, but like, it's just so annoying. I don't know, I don't want this to like break because it is a little bit heavy, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated.